Hello, friends. It is your friend CryptoFace, and tonight, this morning, right now, there is opportunity. But before we go into it, let me play a small disclaimer from a video before. And as soon as you're done watching this video, all of that is subject to change. I could see something else, and if you're not in the whale crew, you don't know. But shout out to all my traders in the whale crew. Cannot express the fact of that matter, the truth of the matter more. So, now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. Recently, ever since the April 1st pump, we have been bullish. As most of you know, I had a small short. We said it was 50-50, but I'm going with the short. Very small, not a farm trade whatsoever. And when Bitcoin started to take off, actually, let me pull up on the 31st of March, the day before, the night before, here's what was said. Everyone, everywhere is super bullish, similar to last time. If you are nervous about shorting, it's okay. You don't have to do it. It could very well go up. I am not shorting the farm by any means, but I'm sticking to the Chong because I feel I must. But you can choose what you want to do. I'm gonna go down with this ship like a true captain, but we shall see. We shall see, right? Now, after that, I took the loss. My trade size was about a 1/10, 1/9 of what it normally is. That's when the fun started happening. We longed Bitcoin at 4,700. In fact, not only did we long Bitcoin, we longed Cardano, EOS, and Bitcoin Cash. This was our entry for Bitcoin Cash. About 4 or 5 hours before the 60%, you could technically say 69, 60% gain. This was much bigger than the Bitcoin pump. We nailed the Bitcoin Cash with leverage. April 2nd, this was our entry for Cardano. We nailed, call it 13%. EOS, April 2nd, longed, nailed, 15%. Sold along the way. Here were some of my positions. Fast forward to even the past few days, we have been on fire, nailing the market. Fast forward, who cares about the past? Let's talk about the present and the future. That's why you are here. Now, I've been bullish up until tonight. And the reason being is because of what I see. If you zoom in, let's say even on the hourly, you will get lost in this sauce. When you zoom out to the daily, it's a completely different picture. And I'll tell you, I would be much more bullish if this was a one thick candle, then upwards, and then normally we see another thick candle. That is the pattern that would have someone bullish. Thick green candle, little bit diagonal, another thick one. But this is it is different. It's just different. Now, let's even say scratch that. If this candle does not close higher than this, then, in my opinion, the probability of us going up also decreases. We are then more likely, in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only, to start seeing some red, which I believe is healthy, which is what I believe needs to happen. It's actually very similar to this. Very similar. So if we went back in time, and let's say you don't see any of this, we came up to this line of resistance, and we had to go back down and build up strength. So we came up, came down, down more, and then we went sideways, fight up, and then broke. So I am basically, if we are going to continue to go up, we'd want to see something like this. If we want to go up healthy. Now, if this does not happen, if we do not break down and healthily eventually come back up, and let's say we just break up, if we do come up here, then chances are, folks, I'm going to be looking to short it, because this would be unstable. It would not have foundation. It would be Chinese foundation, the weak concrete type of those Chinese cities that were built 6 years ago that are now concrete ghost towns for overproduction, and it would fall. So if you want Bitcoin to go up long term, if you aren't gonna buy anymore, then this is what you want. And boy, does this look like it can happen. We might save this picture. This could be a prophecy. Take a look at our Ching indicator, the Chong. You know, we're topping out. We're topping out. Looking at the macaroon, the tides have turned. We've gotten the juice. The blue's on the bottom. Now, at any moment, truth is we are at the mercy of a boardroom of 7 Chinese guys somewhere that control all of this. And if they flip the switch, none of this shit matters. Oh, look, it's dumping as we speak. As we speak. Which, let's see. So, about 4 hours ago, I posted urgent. Now, we were long. We were in profit already from like 5,000 or 5,100. I exited our longs. At first, I took half, and I said, I'm exiting everything. Opened up short at 52.50. And literally, about, oh, here it is. At 9:12, short entered. 10:27, boom, it starts going down. This should give us, this kind of gives us a better idea. Gives you a better idea of where this all happened. So, what I'm saying is, I exited my longs because I don't believe that we've built the foundation we need to go up. I think this to me looks more like it's gotta come down. And it might not come down a whole lot, but I feel like it needs to come, well, it needs to do this at least. Come down to 4,800, you know, something like this. I will be in China by the end of this week. I look forward to learning everything and respecting the Chinese people, for they are my people. Meeting with Bybit and others. And if you are in Shanghai and you are watching this video and you have some hot friends, hit me up. Maybe we can grab a drink. Or if you just want to buy me a drink and pay homage, I might have time. Maybe not, but maybe. So there is opportunity. Shout out to my people. Man, I love looking at the profit logs. I love looking at the profit logs. You guys make me proud. So I think we're supposed to be doing some special things with a couple other YouTubers. And I thought of something. I was like, if I can take anyone and make them a better trader if they possess 3 qualities. I can take a bum off the street, not any bum, but a bum. If a bum had these 3 qualities, if they were responsible, patient, and cool, then you can do it. You can trade successfully, profitably, and you can make money doing it, potentially more money than you've ever made before. If you set certain goals, reasonable goals, and before every move you make, if you ask yourself, is this a responsible position that I'm entering or exiting. Am or have I been patient? And am I cool? If you feel you checked off those 3 attributes, then you'll have a better shot. Until then, scroll down, join the whale crew, bend the knee, join me, keep kicking ass. Shout out to all my people. We have people 10, 20, 30 Xing their accounts. We've had people that have even done even higher than that. We can't even calculate it. We've had people do like over 100x their accounts. Like crazy, crazy, crazy. So if you want some of this, come get it. Come get it.